Now that your TV is unpacked and the stand is on, it's time to set it up. Before getting started, make sure to connect the One Connect box if your TV has one, the power cable, the cable box, and any other devices such as a Blu-ray player, game console, or home theater system. This is needed for auto detection during the setup process. Once everything is connected, power them all on, and then power on the TV. Choose how you would like to get started. You can either use your smartphone or the remote control to get set up. Your TV will now identify your connected devices that you're able to control with your smart remote. Select Next. Next, select your Wi-Fi network, enter your password, and then select Go. Review and agree to all the Smart Hub terms and conditions and select OK. To fully enjoy all that your TV has to offer, you'll need a Samsung account. You can create an account, use an existing account, or set it up later. Easily register your TV here to ensure you receive important customer service notifications and product offers. Now you can select which information to save, such as your downloaded apps and cable company. Agree and select Next. If there are any available updates at this time, you'll be able to update your TV right away, or you can choose to do it later. Next, set up your very own voice assistant. Choose between Bixby and Alexa, or you can skip this step. Link your favorite streaming apps to your TV, or select Skip. Enter your zip code and select Done. Your TV will now identify your connected devices that you're able to control with your smart remote. Select Next. You can set up your TV with your service provider to take advantage of any services and features they provide. Enhance your viewing experience with Intelligent Mode. This optimizes your TV's sound, brightness, and volume. Enable this feature now or opt to do it later. You're all set up. Now you can enjoy movies, TV shows, games, and more on your TV.